I'm in the kitchen right now of Sergio's here in Miami, and behind me is a robot that's carrying food to a table here. I'm going to step out of the way and allow our friend Astro here, as I'm walking with you, to do his job, which is to help the folks here transport plates, do a lot of the labor that you otherwise would be relying on bussers for, but right now there's a staffing shortage. This is a huge help to restaurants because it's allowing the servers who are working to access more tables with less labor, less work, and they can do more face-to-face interaction with people. So let's follow Astro to his logical conclusion here, which is to a table all the way on the other end of the restaurant. Let me flip this for you one more time.
Please take your food. Please take your food.
And that's what we're watching here all day, is people laughing and amazed and amused, but more than anything else, grateful for the fact that you now have help for all these folks in restaurants right now that are struggling just to get enough people. Astro to the rescue.